Hey everyone, this is Jack McGee. I am the owner and founder of Trailblaze Paints. We are obsessed with customer service and the contracting experience. From the moment you reach out to us, we spend time educating you so you can make the best decision for your paint project. We offer interior, exterior, and cabinetry painting. Before we even start painting, we make sure you love the color by creating a virtual color rendering of your home. Our services all come with extreme preparation. This looks like masking all our floors, furniture, and windows, and any other areas that shouldn't receive paint. Even with our tremendous preparation and amazing painters, there's no such thing as a perfect paint job. That's why after we clean up, our management staff goes through and notes any touch-ups. This ensures the highest quality on every project. We go the extra mile to ensure that you're 100% satisfied when doing business with us. It's hard to trust contractors. That's why we aim to be the most trusted painters in the Lake Norman area. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon.